meetings held in Midrand, South Africa.
Gwanyuma y'ishengyero kumara obwire burikwingana esaabiiti 2 tarikushutama ekiro ky'erizooba agarukamu kushutama obu hariho enshonga ezibarikuhanuuraho. Bwanyuma y'okutandika rimu nyishengyero ahabwa rw'emiyaga Theodore Ssekikubo yashaba orusipiika w'ishengyero okubuuza gavumenti okusisyana obwa hati ehunamire aha nshonga y'amashuta erikweyongyera bwasheesha bwira ekintu ekireetiire n'emwe aha myanya erikuguza amashuta okukingaho bwa hati. Aho n'abanyishengyero bashoborera ngu ekitongore kirikujunaanizibwa aha nshonga ezi kyehunamiire kandi abanya-Uganda bariyo nibabonabonesibwa omu nshonga z'amashuta.
The road users, the motor vehicle owners, right from Masaka all the way to Kampala, those who use Total petrol stations are not able to get petrol on these stations. And even we who use, some of the members who use diesel, can government therefore update us on the procedures and measures to be taken to avert the fuel crisis in this country?
Thank you. Honourable members, March this year, the Minister of Energy had a press conference and talked about the fuel reserves.
We are going to come back after consulting with the ministry so that they can come back here with a report on what they have prepared in as far as reserves are concerned.
Aba bayongera bashobora ngu enshonga y'amashuta okuguma neeyongyera kiza kureetera n'ebbeeyi y'ebintu okweyongyera omu bwire butari bwahari.
Ekyenshonga za Iran na Amerika zikumanyisa aha nshonga z'amajuta. We hamwe na Minister wa Energy batugira ngu ebyo tubikutwataho tubikwija kuteganisa nshonga z'amajuta mu Uganda. Konko okirebe ebiryo mu Middle East, okirebe ebiryo nibigendo mishoko oriango kibari kugamba tumazima
nankabirwa ali kuri kodi yagambye nti waliwo kampani mu Uganda zabawo kutuletera amafuta zizansoga guzabe Kenya neta zogedde ekyo nkiwulidde ku radio era kyemanya ku safura ya parliament atubulire ani kampani kikati ezikwata amafuta ga Uganda gabadde full stocked ate nga bagaze ugatunza nsi ya Kenya bana Kenya abatalina amafuta.
Wabanga State Minister wa obugagga obw'ettaka wamu ne abalala bonna wa trade bajja wano mu parliament ne batugamba ebintu byonna bigenda kuba bulungi ate katuuse tutya ne tubanga amafuta tugalaba already ebbeeyi erinnya waggulu ku petrol stations.
Omulingo nigwo gumwe olusipiika w'ishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honourable Anita Anet Among yaragira ekitongole ekirikujunaanizibwa enshonga za gavumenti eyaha rurengo rw'ahansi okushobora habwenki n'okusya obwa hati tekatiireho ebiro ebyokuronderamu ba chairperson b'entebe y'okubanza kandi obwire obubabiire baraganise buriyo nibuhwaho.
How much money was released, and if it was released, when are the elections, and then an increment of the salaries for the LOC 1, 2, 3, 5 councillors, chairpersons. Could you be having in the information?
Abanyishengyero bashobora ngu ahi bihikire gavumenti etandikire kubiteekamu omuzaano tibarikwenda kutoranisa aba chairperson b'entebe y'okubanza kandi omwebembezi w'ihanga yashohwize sente ez'okutoranisa.
Enshonga y'okuronda ba chairman yamara emyaka 5 bamara emyaka erengere 5 nibagumana batugambira ngu katwongezeyo emyezi 6 katwongezeyo emyezi 4 katwongezeyo emyezi 3 emyaka erigiro yahwa bamwe ba chairpersons bakafa hazaho n'aba vice nabo bafa hazaho abanyabuzare nabo barugaho hatu noshanga services zitire bwebembezi.
Norwich waliwo government kyekwese toyina ng'egyo osobola kugamba nti biliyoni 5.6 zikubuze zitya ng'ebirala byonna ebyazo sente zirabika. Norwich ffe twetaaga ansi entuufu tukyagala okumanya sente ziri ludda bwe zigenda okukozesebwa mu kulonda.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano habwa Tayari West.
Parliament